Hello guys, today we're going to fix the issue where Windows security is not working in Windows 11, like not opening or sometimes crashing. This usually happens because of a corrupted app package, conflicts with third-party antivirus, or errors in system files. In today's video, I'll show you a few simple methods to fix this issue, so let's get started. First, click on the Windows icon and open Settings. Then go to Apps, click on Installed Apps, and scroll all the way down to Related Settings. From there, click on System Components. Now you'll see Windows Security in the list. On the right-hand side, click on the three dots, then go to Advanced Options. Scroll down a bit and first click on the Repair button. It will try to fix Windows Security. After repair, if it still doesn't work, then go ahead and click on Reset. After that, check if the issue is resolved. If the problem is still there, then next we'll run some commands in PowerShell. Go to Windows Search and type PowerShell and open it as administrator. I have the commands saved in Notepad. I'll also put them in the video description so you can copy and paste them one by one. After running all the commands, check again if the issue is fixed. If it's still not working, then move to the next method. Open Command Prompt as administrator and run the sfc command exactly like that. I will also mention this command in description. This will scan and repair any corrupted system files that might be stopping Windows security from working. Let it complete 100%. After that, type the DISM command, exactly like that. You can copy-paste this command as well from video description. Let it complete 100%. This command repairs the Windows system image, fixes corruption, and automatically downloads healthy files from Windows Update if needed. Once it's done, the next step is to run Windows Update. Open Settings, go to Windows Update, and install any available updates, or simply click on Check for Updates. Updating Windows can fix a lot of bugs and issues, including problems with Windows security. After completing all these steps, I recommend restarting your system so everything loads fresh and all services restart properly. I hope one of these methods fixes your Windows security issue. If it works for you, let me know in the comments which method helped. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.